There are many sources of energy that are renewable and considered to be environmentally friendly and harness natural processes. These sources of energy provide an alternate cleaner source of energy, helping to negate the effects of certain forms of pollution. All of these power generation techniques can be described as renewable since they are not depleting any resource to create the energy. So today we are going to talk about the top 10 renewable energy sources. So let's get started. Number 10. Tidal power. Tidal energy can be generated in two ways, tidal stream generators or by barrage generation. The power created through tidal generators are generally more environmentally friendly and causes less impact on established ecosystems. Similar to a wind turbine, many tidal stream generators rotate underwater and is driven by the swiftly moving dense water. Although not yet widely used, tidal power has the potential for future electricity generation. Tides are more predictable than wind energy and solar power. Number 9. Wave power. Wave power is the transport of energy by ocean surface waves, and the capture of that energy to do useful work, for example for electricity generation, water desalination, or the pumping of water into reservoirs. Wave energy can be difficult to harness due to the unpredictability of the ocean and wave direction. Wave farms have been created and are in use in Europe, using floating polymies wave energy converters. Most wave power systems include the use of a floating buoyed device and generate energy through a snaking motion, or by mechanical movement from the peaks and troughs of the wave. Number 8. Solar power. Photovoltaic, PV, solar power is harnessing the sun's energy to produce electricity. One of the fastest growing energy sources, new technologies are developing at a rapid pace. Solar cells are becoming more efficient, transportable, and even flexible, allowing for easy installation. PV has mainly been used to power small and medium-sized applications, from the calculator powered by a single solar cell to off-grid homes powered by a photovoltaic array. Number 7. Wind power. Wind power is the conversion of wind energy by wind turbines into a useful form, such as electricity or mechanical energy. Large-scale wind farms are typically connected to the local power transmission network with small turbines used to provide electricity to isolated areas. Residential units are entering production and are capable of powering large appliances to entire houses depending on the size. Wind farms installed on agricultural land or grazing areas have one of the lowest environmental impacts of all energy sources. Although wind produces only about 1.5% of worldwide electricity use, it is growing rapidly, having doubled in the 3 years between 2005 and 2008. Number 6. Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is electricity generated by hydropower, that is, the production of power through the use of the gravitational force of falling or flowing water. It is the most widely used form of renewable energy. Once a hydroelectric complex is constructed, the project produces no direct waste. Small-scale hydro or micro-hydro power has been an increasingly popular alternative energy source, especially in remote areas where other power sources are not viable. Small-scale hydropower systems can be installed in small rivers or streams with little or no discernible environmental effect or disruption to fish migration. Number 5. Radiant energy. This natural energy can perform the same wonders as ordinary electricity at less than 1% of the cost. It does not behave exactly like electricity, however, which has contributed to the scientific community's misunderstanding of it. This natural energy form can be gathered directly from the environment or extracted from ordinary electricity by the method called fractionation. One of the earliest wireless telephones to be based on radiant energy was invented by Nikola Tesla. Number 4. Geothermal power. Geothermal energy is a very powerful and efficient way to extract renewable energy from the earth through natural processes. This can be performed on a small scale to provide heat for a residential unit, a geothermal heat pump, or on a very large scale for energy production through a geothermal power plant. It has been used for space heating and bathing since ancient Roman times, but is now better known for generating electricity. Geothermal power is cost-effective, reliable, and environmentally friendly, but has been geographically limited to areas near tectonic plate boundaries. Number 3. Biomass. Biomass, as a renewable energy source, refers to living and recently dead biological material that can be used as fuel or for industrial production. In this context, biomass refers to plant matter grown to generate electricity or produce, for example, trash such as dead trees and branches, yard clippings, and wood chips biofuel, and it also includes plant or animal matter used for the production of fibers, chemicals, or heat. Biomass may also include biodegradable wastes that can be burnt as fuel. Number 2. Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas, CNG, is a fossil fuel substitute for gasoline, diesel, or propane fuel. Although its combustion does produce greenhouse gases, it is a more environmentally clean alternative to those fuels, and it is much safer than other fuels in the event of a spill. Natural gas is lighter than air, and disperses quickly when released. CNG is used in traditional gasoline internal combustion engine cars that have been converted into biofuel vehicles. Number 1. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is any nuclear technology designed to extract usable energy from atomic nuclei via controlled nuclear reactions. The only method in use today is through nuclear fission, though other methods might one day include nuclear fusion and radioactive decay. All utility-scale reactors heat water to produce steam, which is then converted into mechanical work for the purpose of generating electricity or propulsion. In 2007, 14% of the world's electricity came from nuclear power, with the US, France, and Japan together accounting for 56.5% of nuclear-generated electricity. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.